About 3 years ago, researchers at the Penn State College of Medicine set out to find a way to prevent melanoma.
For melanoma, really there is nothing out there. There are a couple of drugs which are FDA approved, but they do have problems. So right now, melanoma community is looking for a drug which is effective. In compared to other cancer, melanoma is not doing great. So we need to try using different strategies, different approaches, different delivery methods, and that's what we are trying here at Penn State.
Now they think they may have done it. By taking a natural compound found in green leafy vegetables like broccoli and modifying it, researchers came up with the compound ICE4. In the majority of melanoma cases, there's a defect which prevents cancer cells from dying. Researchers believe ICE4 can correct this defect. They say it showed promising results when applied to lab-generated human skin.
We found that this compound, interestingly, was killing only cancer cell and not the normal cells. So we were very excited and we thought that, okay, maybe we should take a step further.
In fact, researchers say ICE4 kills melanoma cells 2 to 5 times more effectively than it kills regular cells. Next, they tested the compound on mice and were once again pleased with the results. They say repeated application of ICE4 decreased tumor development in mice by about 80%. And they say it appears to be safe.
We also did some toxicity studies. We looked at their blood parameters and we found that it's not affecting their liver or kidney or any other organs or altering their blood parameters. So it's effective even in the animals.
Researchers believe ICE4 could be used not only as a preventative measure, but they say you can also inject the compound directly into a melanoma lesion to target it. Researchers hope to test ICE4 on humans in clinical trials. If the results are good, they say ICE4 could wind up in your sunscreens and body lotions.